Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we'll discuss that how to find the sum of real number x when this expression is given. So let's start with today's video. So we have to find the sum of all the real number x and the equation is this. So I can write the equation as 3 power x minus 27 whole power 2 plus 5 power x minus 625 whole square is equals to 3 power x plus 5 power x minus 652 whole square. So I can write it as 3 power x minus 27 whole square plus 5 power x minus 625 square is equals to 3 power x. I can break 652 in two parts. So I can write it as 3 power x minus 27 plus 5 power x minus 625 whole square. Now I can assume that 3 power x minus 27 as A and 5 power x minus 625 as B. So I can write it as A square plus B square is equals to A square A plus B whole square. We know the famous identity. I can write it here. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So I'll take A square plus B square minus A square minus B square is equals to 2AB. So the value of 2AB is equals to 0. And the value of AB is 0. So from this, we can assume that either A will be 0 or B will be 0. So we'll solve with both the cases. When A equals 0, the value of B is, I can write it here. So 3 power x minus 27 equals 0. So I can write it as 3 power x equal 27. 3 power x equal 3 power 3. The value of x is 3. Now, when B equals 0, 5 power x minus 625 equals 0. 5 power x equals 625. I can write it as 625 in terms of 5 power 4. So the value of x is 4. Now we have two values of x, that is 3 and that is the next is 4. And in the question they ask find the sum of all the real number power x. So sum of all real number values of x is 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 is the number that satisfies this equation. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.